Hello everyone, welcome back to Next 16 channel. Today I'm gonna give you tips how to fix AMD Radeon software error. The problem just like this: Radeon software and driver version did not match. You can see that. Okay, and you might click registry editor or regedit in the searching column below and then click open. Okay, now we are in registry editor menu. Click on HK local machine and choose software. Click on AMD, then choose GN. You can see driver version of your application there. You can see that. And before you change the type of your driver version in application, you must typing DirectX diagnostic tool and open it. Then choose render option. Okay, and you can see the true of the driver version in your computer. And you must copy the driver version in a DirectX diagnostic tool to the driver version of your application in HK local machine. You must copy same as like in DirectX diagnostic tool. Okay, after you copy the driver version in DirectX diagnostic tool to the HK local machine and the registry editor, you must click OK and then restart your computer. Now try to open AMD Radeon software. Yeah, as you can see, it can open now and it works. Okay everybody, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Bye.